a thing called a brain? Here's an idea. How about you actually use it? It's free.
Don't pretend to not know something because you want me to do it. PPT बनाना किसको नहीं आता है?
I know we're friends and all, but I don't need to know about your sex sessions. It gets a little uncomfortable at times.
Listen, you know why we keep offering you mint? It's because we don't want to know what you've had for lunch.
While we are at it, थोड़ा DO भी use कर ले यार. People at work can't breathe because of your armpits.
Being considerate is actually a thing. You cannot get the biggest piece of cake every single time.
Don't ask useless questions in meetings. You don't sound intelligent, you sound like a time waster.
No one knows how you got that promotion. Oh wait, maybe all that chartering worked.
Don't nod so much. You're not getting brownie points from our boss. Itni bhi chaat mat. I mean, who asked if we should schedule this meeting for 6 a.m. or 6 p.m.?
You've stayed back late 2 times. 2 times! Stop making it like it's such a big deal. हम अपनी मरवा रहे इधर.